If Congress wants to find out what really led to the firing of several U.S. attorneys, it can find out. It can appoint a special investigator and give that person broad subpoena powers. The investigator would then be able to ask questions of people at the Department of Justice, the White House, and the Republican Party, and to have them provide records. The National Security Agency and whoever else is monitoring emails these days could also be subpoenaed. By tracking down all available leads, there is an excellent chance that the truth will come out. This would be basic investigation, the sort of thing that is done every day by regulatory and prosecutorial agencies. If emails really were deleted, it won't be hard to find out who ordered them deleted. All you have to do is ask the right people the right questions. Karl Rove may have issued the orders, but he wouldn't have been the one to hit the delete key. Some IT technician who won't be eager to go to jail will provide the information, and he'll say who told him to destroy the evidence. He may very well have saved the emails. IT folks tend to be reluctant to permanently destroy records, even when they are supposed to. There won't be any problem with the White House claiming executive privilege. The Watergate litigation pretty much said that that claim wasn't available in a criminal investigation, which is what the present investigation looks like it is turning into. There isn't any executive privilege for anything the Republican Party does anyway. It would also be pretty easy to track down the emails just by subpoenaing the phone company and the IT providers. The Bush administration has severely weakened their ability to claim confidentiality. The sheer number of people who were involved in the firing decisions will make it easy to crack this case. They weren't all seasoned masterminds. It won't take much to convince one of the eager youngsters who got caught up in this scheme that a few years in federal prison won't help their resumes much. When they are reminded how the administration threw Scooter Libby, now facing several years jail time, to the sharks, they'll cave. A few months back, the Democrats may have been reluctant to start such an investigation. They wouldn't want it to look like they were playing get-back for the impeachment of President Clinton. But Bush's popularity is so low right now that almost no one would want to lead the resistance to the investigation. Republicans are running away from Bush. They aren't rushing to his defense. Congress really doesn't have much time to decide to mount a full investigation. An army of volunteer investigators is already working on the case, publishing their findings on the Internet. If Congress waits much longer, it will look negligent in not following up on the information that is being made public on almost a daily basis. What has been called the alternative media has a taste for this story, and it's not likely to give up.